Welcome to the Car Symptoms Guide, your trusted source for diagnosing car problems before they get worse. Have you noticed strange noises, vibrations, or longer stopping distances when you brake? These could be symptoms of bad brake pads, and ignoring them can put your safety at serious risk. In this video, we'll break down the most common signs of worn brake pads, what they mean, and what you should do next. Why brake pads matter. Brake pads are a critical part of your car's braking system. As they wear down, braking performance decreases, and if ignored, they can damage other expensive components like brake rotors. Let's go through the key warning signs. Squealing or screeching noise when braking. A high-pitched squealing or screeching sound when you apply the brakes is often the first warning sign of bad brake pads. Most brake pads have a built-in metal wear indicator. When the pads get thin, this indicator rubs against the rotor, creating that sharp noise to alert you. This means your brake pads are worn and nearing replacement. Grinding noise. If the squealing turns into a loud grinding noise, the situation is much more serious. This usually means the brake pads are completely worn out and the metal backing plate is grinding directly against the rotor. Driving with this condition can cause severe rotor damage and dramatically reduce braking power. Vibrations or pulsing when braking. If you feel shaking or pulsing in the brake pedal or steering wheel, worn brake pads may be causing uneven contact with the rotors. In many cases, this symptom is linked to uneven pad wear or warped rotors, both of which reduce braking efficiency. Spongy or low brake pedal. A brake pedal that feels soft, spongy, or sinks closer to the floor can be another sign of bad brake pads. While this can also be caused by air in the brake lines or low brake fluid, extremely thin brake pads can contribute to this unsafe pedal feel. Longer stopping distance. If your car takes longer to stop than it used to, worn brake pads could be the reason. As brake pad friction material wears down, it becomes less effective at gripping the rotor, especially during sudden or emergency stops. This is one of the most dangerous symptoms to ignore. Brake warning light on dashboard. Many modern vehicles use brake pad wear sensors. If you see a brake warning light illuminated on your dashboard, it may be signaling that your brake pads have reached a critical wear level and need inspection or replacement. Car pulls to one side when braking. If your vehicle pulls left or right when braking, this often indicates uneven brake pad wear. One side may be gripping harder than the other, causing the car to shift direction, which can be especially dangerous at higher speeds. What you should do if you hear a grinding noise when braking: stop driving immediately and have your brakes checked. And most importantly, schedule a brake inspection as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Replacing brake pads early is much cheaper than replacing rotors or calipers later. Recognizing the symptoms of bad brake pads early can save you money, and more importantly, keep you safe on the road. If you notice any of these warning signs, don't wait. Get your brakes checked and stay ahead of potential brake failure. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car problem guides. Comment below if you've experienced any of these brake pad symptoms, and remember, safe brakes save lives.